we are going to review a course that I really love and I 100% recommend to take it. Hi guys, how are you? My name is Eleftheria, if this is your first time here, and I'm reviewing a course from Udemy, either paid or free. So this course is called Git, a web developer job, mastering the modern flow, the workflow, and it currently costs almost 11 euros. But it worth it. It totally worth it. Let's go to overview and about this course, and it says learn Git, GitHub, Node.js, NPM, object-oriented JavaScript ES6, Webpack, Gulp, BAM, and job interview tips. And yes guys, it has like 15.5 hours and you will learn all this kind of things. I have reviewed other videos that they were like 1 hour and they were talking about all this kind of things, but they didn't do it. This course with 15.5 hours, it does all these things. The level is a beginner's one, and yes, it is, I would agree with that, and it has 63 lectures. It provides 1 article and then 100 supplement resources like external links and code and all this kind of stuff. And I mean, you'll find them very easily and no problem at all. In the description there are a lot of things which again are great. I love when there is a lot of information in the description, and it says like take your developer career to the next level by learning Git, GitHub, command line basics. You will learn some Node.js, NPM, Gulp, CSS, and then in CSS you will learn some techniques like BAM and post CSS. And for me this was my first time that I was learning about this kind of things, and after that I felt very confident that I can use them, and not only I can use it in my own personal projects, but I can go to work and work with this kind of things. Then speeding up your sites with the mobile first performance. I mean, this was again amazing. You will learn about JavaScript and Babel and Webpack, and at the end you will have some chances about the job interviews and some external links. Alright, let's continue with what are the requirements, and let me tell you, basically there is not any requirement. You just have to know the basics of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but anything else will be provided. What am I going to get from this course? I think that I have talked about this, and what is the target audience, and this is something like for beginners or maybe intermediate that wants to go to the next level. But I would pretty much advise everyone that can give 11 euros to do it and take part in it. The instructor is called Brad. I'm not going to tell his last name because I'm sure I will pronounce it in a wrong way. He's a great teacher. I think he's very knowledgeable, he's very experienced, he knows what he's talking about. What I really liked is that he goes in depth and he's not just telling you something, or he's not just coding, but he will explain everything, and he will tell you why he's doing something, exactly why he's doing something, and why he picks one way rather than something else. I mean, just amazing. Alright, let's continue with the course content, and here we will have 21 sections. The last section, the looking forward one, is, as you can see, there are a lot of links and there are also some videos, but they are not exactly about this course. It's like job interviews and next step and career progression. So this topic is quite a more general one, but everywhere else you will see videos, and then you will see files like Gulp and Gulp CSS. It's very well structured, very well, and I mean you will find everything like Gulp timeout, mobile first essential, let's build. The titles are always very well, and what it says, this is what will you get. The videos are usually long, like 90 minutes, and I think there is one that is almost 30 minutes, but I don't think that you will have a problem to follow with him because he talks perfectly and he will explain everything. Like the time will pass and you will not even understand anything. Like, I mean this. Let's continue with the Q&A. Here there are some questions. Sometimes there is an answer, sometimes there isn't. And in the announcement, the last one was like 1 year ago. Alright, I have gave this course 5 stars and I have paid for it almost 11 euros, and as I said, it's totally worth it and I would totally recommend to take it. It has an overall 4.7 and it's a bestseller course. I would totally agree with this. And what else? Let me show you some. I mean, most people gave 5 out of 5 stars and everyone said that it's very useful and everyone would recommend it. So please to take this course. I'm not going to get paid for it or anything else. I just want to make sure that you will learn all these kind of things in 15 hours or 16 hours, and you will be, and the next day you will go to your job and you will be amazing and your colleagues will be amazed by all those beautiful things that you have learned by paying only 10 or 11 euros. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're having a great day and see you in the next review. Bye!